Bismillah. Wow, what a nice aquarium. What a nice aquarium. There is a small aquarium with only one fish. Looking great. It has many small fish inside as well as trees and rocks. This is nice one. Wow, amazing. A spectacular tree is accompanied by artificial smoke and fountains. Looking nice, great. This is also amazing, Korea. There are so many yellow fish and a nice green tree. Wow, black fish there. Wow. Here there are many red colored fish that are sold separately. The store is located in Jamuna Future Park, Bangladesh, Dhaka.